Ka Tamasa cherry blossom taus nem hagasian ka beningkong kan sesaki ka Rynsan Ïakura mixed martial arts cage fight. Kani ka program balai kerteng ka Meghalaya cage fight kan sesaki ya kinong Ïakura na ka jela Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, bat Maharashtra, bat kumju ru ya kinong Ïakura na bari na Afghanistan bat Russia. Haga jengelang bat kinong patai kubor u Isaya karmau plang way na kinong seng ya ka Happy Red Rooster MMA ula penslur ya baro kamtam i kena red bakin penyeso ela dia bat ka MMA namar ka ai ya ki sap ki pong ki bedon kam.
The purpose of having MMA is because we have we'd like to take this opportunity also to thank Basan for taking this initiative of conducting MMA in Cherry Blossom. And I think this is the first time that Cherry Blossom will experience an MMA event. And I believe that MMA being the fastest growing sport in the world, and at the same time, it is a sport which is very popular among the youth. We believe that it will draw a lot of attention, a lot of crowds. Because the thing is, there's something about competition that people want to watch.